Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Nanotech. Today we will be learning how to develop a water bottle which is normally used at our home. So this is CREO parametric 9.0. So we will start with this development. Let's go to the new part solid, uncheck the use default template and press OK. Then we will choose MMNS part solid ABS and I will click OK. So this is our initial interface. I will select the revolve command here and then I will choose the right plan where I need to work. Okay, so first of all, I need to draw a center line here like this. Then I need a circle here. Here. Okay. So from x-axis, I need it to be 100 millimeter and from y-axis, it would be 75 millimeters. The diameter of this circle I need of 500 millimeter. So it's done. Now I need a second circle which would be exactly in the same axis and would be identical to the first one. Now you can see the sign of equals and the previous circle is turning green. It means both circles are identical now. I will click here. Now I need to see the intermediate distance of these two circles. This I will take as 550 millimeter. Now I need the third circle which will be tangent to this first one and the second one. The diameter of this circle I want to keep 1200 millimeter. Now you can see this is tangent here, but it's not from here, so I need to tangent this side as well. So I will go to tangent command, then I will click this side and this side. Now you can see all these this circle is actually tangent to the previous two. So that's all. Now I need to trim the part which is not required. So I will click the trim command. Then I will remove the area which is not required. So I will trim this one. I will trim this, this side, this side, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so now I need a baseline from this point to this. Similarly, now I need another line here. Okay, so here, like this. Okay, so I need to see the dimension from this point to this point here. So this I need to keep 60 millimeters and this one I will keep 100 millimeter. So I will trim this part as well. So now it is almost done. So I will go to the OK and you can see the revolve command is applied and the bottle is created. So I will click OK here. So now you can see the bottle is created. Okay, so now I need to make this side, this one, and the bottom side, I need to round these two corners. So the radius of this I will keep around 30 millimeter and I will click OK. So now you can see these both sides are rounded. Now I need this is actually a shell at the moment. It's only a sheet. So now I need to thicken it. So I will go to the thick command. So the bottle is already chosen. I need to put the thickness of this bottle as 2.5 millimeters. Okay, so now you can see the thickness of the bottle has been included. This is from inside and this is from outside. So we need the thickness from outside of 2.5 millimeters. So I will click OK here. So now the required thickness is achieved for the bottle. Okay, now we need to make threads here for the capping. So for that purpose, I will go to the Helical Sweep command now. So I need to take the reference here, define, and I will select this plane and I will go to sketch. So after choosing the sketch, I need to mark first the center line, this one. Then I need to take two references. So this will be this reference and this one. So I will click close. Now I will go to line command and I will select the length of the threads which are required. Okay, I will change this. So I will go to line command. So I will choose this line up to wherever I need the threads on this bottle. Okay, so I will go out. So this one I need to keep 10 millimeters and the threaded part I would like to keep that as 60 millimeters. So now I will go to, so this is done. Now I will go to sketch command, sketch. So I need to draw a circle here, here, here. So the diameter of this circle will be 5 millimeters. Okay, so I will draw a line here to make it a closed loop like this. And this part is no more required, so I will trim this one. So this is actually the size of the thread which I need to keep. So I will click OK here. And the pitch, I will take it as 10. So I will click OK here. So now you can see the bottle threads has been generated and it looks good now. So this is all for the bottle. For the appearance, I can go to the view command. I will go to appearance and then I can select any kind of appearance from here. Let's say if I take it as this, how it looks good. I can change it If I need to select any other color, okay, green also looks fine. And let's see the yellow one. Okay, so we will keep it as yellow. This looks good. So now we need to save this file. Save to the documents, and this is the part number. Okay, so this part is saved. So in order to develop the cap, let's start. So this is our CREO parametric 9.0 interface. So first I will go to the Revolve command. I will choose the reference plan here. So in this plan, we need to make two lines of L shape like this. Okay, so the intermediate distance I will keep 62.5 and the height I will keep 80 millimeters. Now I need to draw a center line here because without a center line the revolve command will not work. So I will click OK here. Now we need to make the internal threads here which will be fitting to the bottle external threads. For that reason I need to change the appearance to hidden lines or the wireframe. Yes, this one here. So now I will use the sweep command, helical sweep, and I will select the plane where I need to work. So I will go to define, then I will select this plane, and here it is. So now you can see this is the internal side, which in the normal view I cannot see. So that is the reason I changed it to wireframe mode. So now I need to draw a center line first here. This will be the center line. Now I need to take references. So references, I will keep this one and I will keep this one. So I will click close. So let me see which one is our internal. Okay, so this is the external part. Here I will change it back to hidden lines. So this is where we need to make the threads. So now I need to draw a line here from this point to this point here. So this distance I will keep it 2.5 millimeters, and this one I will keep 70 millimeter. Okay, now I will click OK. Now I need to go to the sketch command. Again I need to see which one is the open end and which one is the close end. So this is the open end. Okay, so now I need to draw a circle here which will be on the inner side here. Okay, so the radius of this circle will be 5 millimeter, but this time we will be taking the inner one and we will delete the one which is not required, the outer one. So this portion we will delete. Okay, so I will click OK here. So the pitch I will keep 10 millimeter and boom. So that's how we will create the threads inside the bottle cap. You can see the threads has been generated. So they are exactly same as the outer body of the bottle, and they will be fitting in that bottle. So that's how we prepare the bottle cap. Now I will go to view and I will change its appearance to yellow, same like we had the appearance of water bottle. So this one is also done. Now we will move to the assembly part and I will show you how we can assemble these both parts. Okay, so now the bottle and the cap has been generated. Now the third step of the video is the assembly. For that we will be going to new, then we will choose assembly and I will uncheck the default template and I will click OK. From here we need to choose MMKS ASM design. So I will click OK. So I will go to assembly, then I will choose the bottle which was part number 2, and from here I will select it as default. So I will click OK here. So this is our bottle default assembly. Okay, so now I need to import my part number 3, which was the cap. Okay, so here is the cap. I need to invert it like this and I will bring it up like this. Okay. Okay. So from here I will select coincident and then I will select the axis of the cap, this one, and then I will select the axis of the bottle, this one. So here I will add a new constraint and I will select coincident. So now I will choose first the cap this side and the bottle this side. Okay, so this is all done. Now you can see I can deselect all and I can click OK here. So now you can see the cap is on the bottle. So that's how we do the assembly. Now you can see the bottle and cap both are assembled together. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel, and also comment for any improvement in the videos in future. Thank you so much.